welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Let's begin the letter N as in Nancy, and we're using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook with Karen 1 pound. Let's begin with the slip knot, and we need to chain a total of 25, and we'll count those out together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Let's begin row number 1. So let's take row number 1 step by step, and you're going to go second chain from the hook, turn it around and get the back hump of the chain because it'll look nicer, and you'll single crochet that one. You're now going to single crochet the next 6 chains in a row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and now you're going to skip the next chain. So just skip it. That'll create a bend, and you're going to go into the next one after that. Single crochet the next chain. So then the next 8 after that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now you're going to skip 1 chain, and then single crochet the remaining that are left. So skip 1 chain, so skip, and single crochet the remaining. Okay, and then that's it. So it looks like just a long piece, and use this as a long tail to sew it down to your project. Okay, and what you want to do is that you want to figure out how you're going to be bending it. So we did, by skipping this one here, this is going to be the end going down, and because you skipped here, this will be the end going back up. It's just easier. It's on a piece of paper here in the background. So you're just going to shape it and being able to secure it down. Okay, so any loose ends that you will have that you want to deal with, especially the beginning, you want to favor the back side of your N. Leave the longer tail to sew it to your project. And you want to weave it in and out of the back side a total of 3 times when you're securing the first tail in. And then when you go to do this one with the, especially with the end, because it's not self-shaping on its own, you want to just pin it down to your project and then sew it in on top there. And remember, in the playlist I put how to sew things in, just in case you need that information. And therefore that would be the letter N. Okay, and there you go. So that's B, N.